Today on the Bitcoin 5, quiet sovereign accumulation, strategy's dual expansion, Saylor's vision, US GDP in gold, and a Strive's daily dividends. 5 fast signals shaping Bitcoin markets today. Let's go. Before the stories, the Bitcoin price check. Current price, 66,412, solid 4.8% gain over the past 4 days, climbing from about $63,400. The most striking perspective remains the 4-year view. BTC is up 194.8% since June 2022, when it traded at about $22,500 during the depths of the bear market. Story 1. Taiwan's central bank met with the Bitcoin Policy Institute to discuss adopting Bitcoin as a reserve asset, marking another potential breakthrough in nation-state adoption. The meeting signals growing interest among sovereign entities in diversifying reserves beyond traditional currencies and gold. This development comes as governments worldwide reassess their reserve strategies amid persistent inflation and currency debasement concerns. While no commitments were announced, the mere fact that Taiwan's monetary authority is engaging in serious discussions about Bitcoin reserves represents a significant legitimization of the asset class at the highest levels of finance. Story 2. Michael Saylor's strategy acquired 1,587 Bitcoin for $100 million at approximately $63,000 per coin, bringing the company's total Bitcoin holdings to 846,842 Bitcoin. Simultaneously, the firm increased its USD reserve by $100 million to $1.1 billion, maintaining strategic liquidity alongside its aggressive Bitcoin accumulation. The dual expansion of both Bitcoin and cash reserves demonstrates strategy's evolving approach as it continues to build out Bitcoin-backed financial products. Story 3. At Bitcoin Prague 2026, Michael Saylor delivered an ambitious roadmap for Bitcoin's growth, arguing that $10 to $20 trillion in capital flows could expand the network to $100 trillion, driving Bitcoin ultimately to $7 million per coin. His 10-dimensional model outlines how to reach stranded capital across asset types, custody solutions, jurisdictions, and distribution networks. Saylor's framework centers on Bitcoin capitalism, creating thousands of Bitcoin-backed products to channel the world's $1,000 trillion in capital into Bitcoin's current $1 trillion market. Story 4. Analyst Lyn Alden shared a striking chart showing US GDP denominated in gold rather than dollars, revealing a dramatically different economic picture that challenges conventional growth narratives. When measured against gold instead of fiat currency, the trajectory of American economic expansion looks far less impressive, highlighting the distorting effects of monetary inflation on traditional metrics. The analysis underscores why hard assets like Bitcoin and gold serve as more reliable measuring sticks for real economic value over time. Story 5. Strive's preferred stock SATA climbed back above $100 as it moves to daily dividends with $77 million in trading volume as the company actively purchased Bitcoin, representing approximately $2 billion in market activity. Separately, Strive acquired an additional 73 Bitcoin for roughly $4.7 million at an average price of about $63,600 per Bitcoin, continuing its steady accumulation strategy. The company maintained its SATA dividend rate at 13% for July 2026, positioning itself as a high-yield Bitcoin-backed financial product in the emerging digital credit market. That's today's Bitcoin 5. Let me know your favourite story from today in the comments below, and subscribe now so tomorrow's update lands directly in your feed. I'll see you tomorrow.